Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best ferret paste on the market, the Petpost Ferret Shampoo. Now, before you scratch your head wondering why a shampoo is being called a paste, stay with us. When it comes to ferret grooming, this product doesn't just clean, it treats, it hydrates, and it transforms your fuzzy friend's hygiene game. In the world of small pet care, this is as essential as ferret paste for nutrition. That's how central it is. Let's dive into why. First up, what makes the Petpost Ferret Shampoo stand out is its deodorizing care. Ferrets are adorable, curious, and cuddly, but they're also known for their musky scent. This shampoo tackles that problem from the root. Instead of masking the odor with strong fragrances, it neutralizes it. The result? Your ferret smells clean without the fake floral cover-up. The magic behind this lies in their odor lock technology. This is where science meets pet grooming. The shampoo binds to odor molecules and eliminates them effectively, ensuring your ferret smells fresh longer. It's a game changer, especially if your ferret spends a lot of time out and about or interacting with family and guests. But what about their skin? Ferrets have delicate skin and fur that needs moisturizing care. That's where Petpost impresses again. The formula is moisturizing, enriched with safflower oil, a gentle, plant-based ingredient known for its hydrating and soothing properties. It helps soften fur and calm any dryness or irritation, making it perfect for regular grooming routines. And while we're talking about regular use, it's important to mention that this product is safe and gentle. There are no harsh chemicals or bleaches in this shampoo. That means no worrying about reactions or over-drying your pet's skin. It's ideal not just for ferrets, but for other small animals too. One of the things we always appreciate on this channel is when a company cares about its impact. Petpost does just that. This product is made in the USA with thoughtfully sourced ingredients. And the packaging is recyclable too. So you're not only giving your pet the best, but you're also doing your bit for the planet. The texture of the shampoo is a smooth gel, easy to apply and rinse off. This matters when you're dealing with a squirmy ferret in a bathtub. The less hassle, the better. And with an 8 ounces bottle, you're set for multiple uses, making it economical as well. So let's sum it up. If you're looking for a grooming solution that combines odor control, skin nourishment, and environmental consciousness, all while being safe for your ferret, Petpost Ferret Shampoo is your go-to. It's more than just a shampoo. It's an all-in-one care formula that deserves a top spot in every ferret owner's toolkit. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more pet product breakdowns. And let us know in the comments what your grooming routine looks like. See you in the next review.